Today, I'd like to introduce you to the cheese straw. Now, for those of you who have grown up in the South, these need no introduction. After all, cheese straws are like deviled eggs. Every Southern cook has their own special way of making them. And whether we serve them with a bowl of soup, salad, or just as a snack, I promise once you try one of our easy homemade ones, you're gonna be hooked. To make them, all we do is combine some shredded sharp cheddar cheese, a good amount of flour, some softened butter, a little paprika, salt, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Now, using our hands, we mix this together until it forms a soft dough. You see, the warmth of our hands is the key to making a good dough. When that's done, we roll it out so it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Cut it into strips and place them on a cookie sheet before baking them off. What we end up with is the cheesiest pastry crisp that you could ever imagine. You see, the sharpness of the cheddar combined with the spices make these addictive. So why not go online and get the recipe for our Southern cheese straws? And if you add your own twist to these, don't forget to share it with us on MrFood.com. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a classic Southern way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You're pretty quick when it comes to eating, aren't you?
Very good.